In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz for Forex trading. We'll walk through the Forex section on Finviz, scan the major currency pairs, read the heat map to spot strength and weakness, open a pairs chart, and add basic technical indicators to help you make sense of price action. By the end, you'll know how to use Finviz as a quick, visual dashboard for your Forex routine. First, open your browser and head to the Finviz website. From the main navigation, go to the Forex section. This page pulls together a clean snapshot of the currency market so you can get oriented fast. If you plan to check it regularly, consider bookmarking the page for one-click access. Once you're on the Forex page, take a moment to scan the list of major currency pairs like EUR, USD, USD, JPY, and GBP USD. Each pair shows how many units of the quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. For example, in EUR USD, the euro is the base and the US dollar is the quote. You'll typically see the current price and the day's percent change, which helps you quickly spot what's moving. A small but useful habit is to note which pairs are clustered at the top or bottom by performance. This gives you an instant read on which currencies are driving the session. Next, check the Forex heat map. The colors make it easy to see which currencies are strengthening and which are weakening at a glance. Green generally indicates strength, and red indicates weakness. Look for broad patterns. If most USD crosses are red, the dollar is likely weakening. If most JPY crosses are green, the yen may be gaining across the board. Use this as a directional compass before you dive deeper into any single pair. When a pair catches your eye, click it to open its price chart. The chart view is where you confirm what the table and heat map suggested. You'll typically see candlesticks by default. Hover to read open, high, low, and close, and use the controls to adjust the view if available. Focus on structure first: trend direction, recent swing highs and lows, and how price reacts around obvious levels. Finally, add technical indicators on the chart if they're available. Start simple with moving averages, such as a short-term and a longer-term line, to gauge momentum and trend. A rising longer-term average with price above it often signals broader strength, while crossovers can hint at shifts in trend. Combine what you see here with the heat map's big picture read for a more confident, consistent process. That's it. Open the Finviz Forex page, scan the pairs, read the heat map, click into a chart, and layer on basic indicators. Use this flow daily to stay organized and objective.